Hello, in this video I will show you how to reset the oil service indicator on Volkswagen Amarok. The oil service reset can be done with a scan tool or from the dashboard. Here in this case I'm going to show you how to do it from the dashboard. Here we can see that when we turn the ignition on, it says service, so that's what we need to reset. To reset the oil service indicator, first we need to turn the ignition off and take out the key. Next we need to press and hold this 00 set button on the dashboard. While we keep pressing it, we should put on the key and turn the ignition on. While the ignition is on, we're going to release the 00 button and press the button on the left right there. Press and hold that button and then turn the ignition off and take out the key. After the ignition is off and the key out, next we can release the button, and that's the oil service reset done. Now we can turn on the ignition and see if the message will appear. There is no message appearing. That means the oil service reset is done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.